I wish that I could be like the bird that flew over me from Scarborough to York. And if I could be like that bird, if I could just fly, I'd be like that bird with a wide glint in my eager eye, with a wild glint in my eye, in my eye. But it was never to be. Nature played this trick on me. Words are things that must remain unspoken. We are nature's cunning folk. We are nature's cunning folk. Cunning folk. I was always Penelope, no suitors at my door. And you were always out there in your southern ocean, miles away from my shore. And I tried to lay down some roots, but my tubers, they fell on stony ground. I couldn't make a home without you around, without you around. They could not find purchase. But please be gentle with us. We have demons in our heads. We all have demons in our beds, in our beds. You may look once, you may look twice, for we are such creatures of strange device. You may look once, you may look twice, we are such creatures of strange device. I may never have the skills that I need to know all the names of the trees, and though I will sing all of their songs, I will get the names of all the birds wrong. I will get the names of all the birds wrong. All of them wrong. things that must remain unspoken, for we are nature's cunning folk. We are nature's cunning folk. Cunning folk.